In this tutorial, I will show you how to dynamically insert images into Canva using frames. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Next, set the canvas size. For example, you can enter 200 by 200 pixels and click Create New Design. This will open a blank canvas. Now go to the Element section on the left side. In the search bar, type Frames. You will see different frame shapes such as squares, circles, grids, and collage layouts. Frames act as placeholders where images can automatically fit inside. Choose a frame or a multi-frame layout and drag it onto your canvas. Resize or position the frames as needed. Next, upload your images. Go to the Upload section and click Upload Files to add images from your computer. After the images are uploaded, simply drag an image onto a frame. Canva will automatically place the image inside the frame and adjust it to fit the shape. If you want to replace the image later, just drag a new image onto the same frame and it will swap automatically. You can repeat this process with multiple frames to quickly update images while keeping the same layout. When your design is ready, click Share and then Download to save your project.